Change is constant. Our life changes, our bodies age, our roles shift, our relationships grow and evolve, and our circumstances can flip overnight. But here's the kicker: even as everything around us changes, our brain stays the same. Not because it's stubborn, but because it's wired for safety, not growth. Your brain isn't built to automatically evolve with your circumstances. It's built to repeat what's familiar, even if what's familiar is keeping you stuck. I'm Jennifer Evans with Empowering Wellness Counseling Solutions. I am a brain coach and licensed mental health counselor, and I've spent over 20 years working with clients to help them rewire their brain and live happier, healthier, more purposeful lives. And I'm here to help you. Today, we're talking about how life is chaotic and it is changing, but the brain will stay the same until you choose to do something different. The brain is wired for something called homeostasis. That means it wants to stay the same. It seeks staying the same. And when stress happens, it's not good, bad, or neutral. It's life or death. So as stress comes on, it's going to be more and more reactionary, not responsive. And so these are the things that we radically accept. The things that I talk about all the time is letting life happen, being present with it, because the more that we lean into the stress, the more that we are letting go of that reactionary tendency. And that's why so many of us find ourselves in same patterns over and over, procrastinating, overthinking, avoiding the hard stuff, sabotaging the good things, not because we don't want to change, but because we haven't taught our brain how to support that change yet. So let's talk about something that happens to all of us when we're trying to grow, whether we're changing our jobs, we're moving to a new city, we have new roles in life, like becoming a parent or a wife or a spouse, whatever the case may be. You're making moves, but your brain is still running in the same old wiring. So here are 5 signs you're changing, but your brain is still stuck in its old patterns, and what we're going to do to pivot and rewire it. Number 1, you're setting new goals but still procrastinating. The brain pattern is that your brain is associating pressure with performance. It only knows how to act under chaos. The pivot: train your nervous system to feel safe in preparation, not panic. Start with small, low stakes tasks and reward consistency, not urgency. Number 2, you're in a new relationship, but you still expect rejection. Your brain pattern is saying your past pain is predicting future outcomes. Your pivot: practice safe evidence. When someone shows up for you, acknowledge it. Say it out loud. This is safe. This is new. You're showing your brain that this time is different. These are the valid data points I often talk about with my clients. Name them, hone them, be connected to them, and throw away the points that do not serve you. Number 3, you've changed your environment, but your inner critic still runs the show. The brain pattern: you've upgraded your surroundings, but not your internal narrative. The pivot: name the voice. Literally, give your inner critic a name and separate it from your identity. Then replace it with a supportive mantra like, I'm allowed to evolve. I don't owe the past version of me anything. I am not my trauma. I am not my past. I am my present. Number 4, you're taking on new roles, but still afraid to be seen. That imposter syndrome will get us every time. Brain pattern is visibility feels like danger, not opportunity. The pivot: stretch your tolerance for being seen, not perfect. Start sharing in safe spaces and reframe visibility as connection, not performance. Number 5, you're doing the work but still feel stuck in survival mode. Brain pattern: you've built awareness but haven't had the response system. Acceptance is still a little bit further away from you. The pivot: regulate before you evaluate. If your body feels like it's in a threat state, no insight will stick. Use grounding tools first, then reflect, decide, or create. Radical acceptance is really crucial in this point. because logically you'll know, but emotionally you can't feel. So take little steps that allow you to see that the value is there, even if you're not feeling like it's there yet. These are 5 ways that we can know that our brain is still kind of stuck in its past patterns. And just because the brain can change, it doesn't happen by accident. And it happens when we get intentional about it. It's what we repeat, it's what we believe, and it's how we respond when things get hard. So if you're in a pivot point right now, maybe your life just shifted, maybe something ended, or maybe you're stepping into something new, take this time to have 3 mantras to help keep your brain connected and move forward with a rewired purpose. Number 1, my brain is a pattern machine. I choose new patterns today. Number 2, every reaction is a window into what I can rewire. And number 3, I can be safe and grow. I don't have to choose. So let's stop trying to change our life while running on the same old programming. Let's build a brain that matches the future we're walking into. Because here's the truth, change isn't about doing more, it's about teaching your brain something new. And that requires intentional rewiring, not just surface level shifts. This is organic, lasting change, not mechanical change. So, are you ready to rewire your brain and to make purposeful changes? DM me and reach out and let me help you to have the life that you want. And is this something that you found was connected? Which one of these signs was an indication that you still are on bad brain and not moving and growing with your circumstances? Comment below and let's get a wellness village built. Thank you for watching. If this helped, please like, share, and subscribe and get more great information on living a happier, healthier, more purpose-driven life. Rewire your brain, reclaim your power.